Hi Irfan, I hope you are doing great. Actually, last 6 days I have noticed that you are looking for someone who can help you in terms of running and operating your cleaning business. But the thing is that I'm pretty sure you have not found out the person who can help you to do all of your tasks in terms of managing calling your customer, operating your software, and manage your job board because no there is very few person who can have this multi-talented skill to manage all of these tasks. But as I have a deep interest in cleaning businesses, that's why I'm actually applying for this job. And based on my experience, I feel like if you delegate some task of in your for your cleaning business and do some tasks on your own, then probably we together we can help you to grow your cleaning business. So if you are running your cleaning business, then probably you have an idea about service mates, right? So this software, what this software do is it can help you in terms of your managing your calls, creating your job post, manage your orders, see appointment, and invoices, payments, and reconciliation. So if you need someone who can help you to manage your customer, who can help you in terms of voicing, in terms of scheduling, in terms of receive the payment and help you to schedule your cleaner route map, that probably I am the person who can help you to do this job. But you have to but if you are but if you have to take the part of in terms of managing your staff, in terms of managing your inventory. If you believe you are looking for if you believe you want to work with freelancer, so if you check my profile, you can see that I'm already working with cleaning with this businesses. Right now I have a dedicated page for B2B cleaners, and here you can see a lot of informative articles. For example, digital marketing for cleaning services business, how to you can do social marketing, how you can share your schedules and all of this stuff, how to you can do how you can use CRM into your cleaning businesses. And if you check out my YouTube profile, you can also see that I have a dedicated video for cleaning business owners and how they can use Service Mates app, how they can manage their schedule, how they can manage, how they can contract different types of customer, how they can create a script. There are actually a lot of videos you can see on my YouTube channel. There are at least 20 videos for cleaning business owners. So if you feel like who can help, if you feel like that you are looking for someone who can help you in terms of customer service, sales, marketing, and manage your inventory and bring more customer into your team, then probably I'm the person who can help you. But you have to manage the staff, manage the inventory if you work with me. Okay, and that's all about it. If you want to learn more of what the software I'm using with the cleaning businesses, what we can use for our to manage schedule entry our data, then feel free to reach out to me. I am happy to communicate with you. I'm happy to help you for your businesses. And I will recommend to reach out to me for within 1 to 2 days, because soon I will be in contract with another cleaning business owner. Okay, so thanks for your time, and I really appreciate that you have given your valuable time to see this video. Thank you so much, and have a good day.